Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you to all my subscribers. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe. So today I'll be showing you how I made this jollof rice. For my ingredients, I'll be using long grain rice. Here I have my tomatoes, onions, and red bell pepper. I have my stock. Have my tomato puree. I have my curry, thyme, and bay leaves. So I've blended my pepper and I'm going to add to my pot. So I'm going to cook for 20 minutes to reduce the water content. So while this is cooking, I'm going to be frying the tomato puree. So I'm going to add some oil to my pan. Next, I'm going to add in some chopped onions. You can use as much as you want just to flavor the oil before frying the tomato paste. Next, I'm adding the tomato paste. So I'm going to fry until it is very dry, and I know it is fried enough when it changes its color from this bright red to the dark one. Now my blended pepper mixture has been cooking. I'm going to add my fried tomato paste. I'm going to combine thoroughly. So I'm going to add the curry, thyme, and bay leaves. And I'm going to combine thoroughly. Wow, the splashes, though the heat is reduced, but still splashing. So I'm adding some seasoning, salt, and some stock. So I'm going to combine again. I'm going to combine thoroughly. I'm going to add more stock. And I will allow to cook for another 15 minutes. Yeah. So my soup base is ready. As you can see, there is not much water in it. Now I'm going to be adding the rice. I love my jollof rice very rich, hence I have a lot of the soup sauce. Yeah, soup base, soup sauce. So I'm going to combine thoroughly until it's well combined. I'm going to cook on a very low heat, not too low and not too fast, for about 10 minutes. Yeah, so I've checked and my rice is almost done. Now I'm going to cover with foil. This will enable the heat to be trapped in, to enable the rice to cook even faster. And I'm going to leave it for another 20 minutes because I want it to get burnt, so I can have that Nigerian party burnt taste, which I love. So while cooking, I decided to add some peas. So now my rice is ready. As you can see, it's not soggy. This is how I love my party rice to be. You can make yours richer than this or lighter. It all depends on how you want or how you enjoy your Nigerian jollof rice. So I'm going to stir before adding my peas. I'm going to combine again. Also, you can add butter. If you feel the rice is dry, you can add butter. Sometimes I add butter, but for this one, I'm not adding butter. So that is our rice already ready to be served. Ready, you can serve this jollof rice with moi moi, salad, fish, beef, chicken, turkey, fried plantain, whatever you enjoy your jollof rice with. We've come to the end of this video and I hope you enjoyed this simple way of cooking jollof rice. If you do, please let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the like button to motivate me. Please share this video and thank you for always supporting me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.